Welcome back, health-conscious viewers. Today, we have an exciting topic that's going to supercharge your well-being. We're diving into the top 5 multivitamin superfoods you need to include in your diet for a healthier and happier life. So, let's not waste any time and get right into it. Kicking off our list is a green powerhouse: spinach. Popeye wasn't wrong. Spinach is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of vitamin A, C, K, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Consuming spinach regularly helps improve your vision, supports bone health, and boosts your immune system. You can toss it into salads, blend it into smoothies, or sauté it with your favorite dishes for a nutritious punch. Next up, we have a rainbow of goodness: berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. These little gems are loaded with antioxidants, which protect your body from harmful free radicals. Berries are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and various phytochemicals that promote heart health, brain function, and may even lower the risk of chronic diseases. Add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or simply enjoy them as a guilt-free snack. Moving on to the creamiest inclusion: avocado. This unique fruit is a treasure trove of healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and potassium. These healthy fats contribute to better heart health and may even help with weight management. Avocado also contains essential nutrients that support skin health and promote better digestion. From avocado toast to guacamole, there are countless delicious ways to enjoy this superfood. Number 4 on our list is a vibrant feast for your eyes: bell peppers. Red, green, yellow, or orange, these bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants. They play a crucial role in supporting your immune system, maintaining healthy skin, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Chop them up for salads, stuff them with delicious fillings, or use them as crunchy dippers with hummus. The options are endless. Last but not least, let's introduce you to another nutritional powerhouse: chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and various minerals. They provide a sustained energy boost, aid in digestion, and are excellent for heart health. Mix them into your yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or create delicious chia seed puddings for a delightful and nutrient-packed treat. There you have it, folks, the top 5 multivitamin superfoods that deserve a spot in your daily diet. Incorporating these nutrient-packed powerhouses into your meals will take your health to new heights. Remember, a balanced and diverse diet is the key to overall wellness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting content on living a healthy and fulfilling life. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.